everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you the different foods that we had at Georgia. So let's begin from the flight itself. In the flight they have served us with a chicken casserole which includes a baked potato, beans and some chicken, along with a piece of bun, biscuits, cheese, a cup of water and then etc. We had our dinner from this Yemeni restaurant on our first day. As I've mentioned in my first video, it was basically an Arabic food like some rice and chicken served along with some kind of sauces. We had opted for the breakfast option at the hotel where we stayed, and the foods was same almost all the days except few dishes. They served with different kinds of fruits, vegetables, and then since the hotel was an Indian hotel and there were many Indian families, they served us with traditional Indian foods, that's idli, dosa and sambar. The most famous food in Georgia is kachapuri. Kachapuri is a traditional Georgian dish of cheese-filled bread. The bread is leavened and allowed to rise and is shaped in various ways, usually with cheese in the middle and a crust which is ripped off and used to dip in the cheese. The filling contains cheese, that is specialized kachapuri cheese, eggs and other ingredients. It is very popular in Georgia, both in restaurants and as a street food. There are several distinct types of kachapuri in Georgian food from different regions of Georgia. Among them, the three main types are the Emiratian, Adjarian and Megrelian. Emiratian kachapuri is the most popular form, made by pastry infused with yeast and white Emiratian salted cheese. Adjarian is a boat-shaped kachapuri with cheese, butter and egg yolk in the middle. It's a certain representation of the boat, sea and sun. Megrelian kachapuri, which is similar to Emiratian but with more cheese added on top. On the behalf and initiative of Gastronomic Association of Georgia, the 27th February was announced as the National Kachapuri Day to celebrate Georgia's timeless signature pastry as well as to promote its recognition internationally. This is the Daryali restaurant which is located in Godavari in Georgia. From here we had this dish called shek meruli, which is a traditional Georgian dish of chicken in garlic sauce served along with some Georgian bread and then some smashed potatoes. This is a small street shop in the Tbilisi town where they serve with two types of shawarma, that's chicken and pork shawarma. A small size of shawarma was more than enough for a person to fill and it really tasted great. Last but not the least, a must-try sweets in Georgia is this churchkela. Churchkela is a traditional Georgian cuisine, candle-shaped candy. The main ingredients are grape must, nuts and flour. Almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts and chocolate and sometimes raisins are threaded onto a string dipped in thickened grape juice or fruit juices and dried in the shape of a sausage.